Hello and welcome to 5 Ways. My name is Nancy, and I'm excited to share my ideas and content with you. My channel is dedicated to providing valuable and informative content for my viewers. Are you ready to start your YouTube journey? I understand that starting a YouTube channel can be overwhelming. That's why I'm dedicated to helping creators like you navigate the platform and create content that stands out. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your channel to the next level, I've got you covered. I cover a wide range of topics, including, but not limited to, technology, gaming, lifestyle, beauty, fashion, vlogs, and much more. My goal is to create content that is both entertaining and educational, and to help my viewers stay up to date on the latest trends and developments in their areas of interest. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1. Vlogging. Share your daily life and experiences with your audience through videos. You can vlog about your daily routine, travels, adventures, and more. This type of content is very personal and relatable, and it can help you build a strong connection with your audience. Number 2. Cooking/food. Share your love for food by creating cooking and food-related content. You can share recipes, cooking tips, food reviews, and more. This type of content is very popular and can be targeted at different audiences, such as foodies, vegetarians, vegans, etc. Number 3. Fitness and health. Share your fitness and health knowledge, and help others to improve their physical and mental well-being. You can create workout tutorials, healthy recipes, and more. This type of content is great for people who want to improve their physical and mental well-being. Number 4. Travel. Share your travel experiences and give tips for budget-friendly travel. You can create travel vlogs, reviews of different destinations, and travel guides for different countries and cities. This type of content is great for people who love to travel and explore new places. Number 5. Beauty and fashion. Share your knowledge and experience in beauty and fashion. You can create makeup tutorials, hairstyle tutorials, product reviews, and more. This type of content is great for people who are interested in beauty, fashion, and personal grooming. I hope these ideas inspire you to create great content for your own channel. I'm always open to feedback and suggestions, so if there's something you'd like to see on my channel, please let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope you enjoy my content. Thanks again for watching.